Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Windows 11 search bar not working. If your search bar is unresponsive, there are several effective methods to fix it. We will go through them one by one. Let's begin with the first step. Right-click on the Windows icon and select Settings. In the Settings window, click on Personalization from the left-hand menu. Scroll down to find the taskbar option and click on it. Make sure the search option is toggled on. If it is off, turn it on. Once done, close the Settings window. Next, right-click on the Windows icon again and choose Task Manager. In Task Manager, look for a file named searchhost.exe. You can scroll through the list to find it. Once located, right-click on it and choose End Task. After this, open File Explorer and minimize it. Now, go back to Task Manager, locate Windows Explorer, right-click on it, and choose Restart. Wait a moment for the process to refresh. After this, try clicking on the search bar to see if it is now working. If it's still not responding, move to the next solution. Right-click on the Windows icon and select Settings. On the left-hand menu, click Privacy and Security. Scroll down and look for Searching Windows, then click on it. Within this section, scroll down to Advanced Indexing Options and click on it. A new window will open. Click on Advanced, then select Rebuild. Confirm the action by clicking OK. Once complete, close the window and proceed to the next step. Press the Windows and R keys together to open the Run box at the bottom left corner of the screen. Type in services.msc and press Enter. In the Services window, scroll down to find Windows Search. Double-click on it to open its properties. Ensure the startup type is set to Automatic. If it's not, change it to Automatic. Then, stop and start the service by clicking the corresponding buttons. Click Apply and OK, then close the Services window. For the final step, press Windows and R again to open the Run box. Type regedit and press Enter. Click Yes to allow changes. In the Registry Editor, navigate to the following path: hkey_local_machine, then System, then Current Control Set, then Services. Look for a folder called WPN User Service. Double-click on it to expand. On the right-hand side, find a value named Start. Double-click on it and change its value to 4. Click OK and close the Registry Editor. After completing all these steps, restart your computer. Once the system restarts, your Windows 11 search bar should be working properly. That's it. That's how you can solve the Windows 11 search bar not working problem. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.